Hello, welcome to Typesetting Mathematics in LATEX programming. Typesetting mathematics is an important area in LATEX typesetting programming. There are various ways of typesetting mathematical expressions and displaying the content as displaying the output, and also there are different levels of difficulty for doing that. The simplest of such methods, such ways, is using the single dollar symbol. You can use single dollar symbol to include any mathematical expression as a part of a paragraph, but you may note that this kind of usage of single dollar will produce only the output as a part of a running paragraph. For example, you can see this is a paragraph, this is a sentence comes as a part of a paragraph, and the equation is a person. You shall read that the equation representing a straight line is in the Cartesian plane is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants. When we see a paragraph or a text matter in general, when we see a text matter, then we have to identify the mathematical expressions which come as part of that text matter. Here, in this sentence, you can see this is a mathematical expression. This is the mathematical part, ax plus b. When you compare it with the remaining part, and this is the remaining part, it is the running matter, the equation representing a straight line, etc. This is the running matter. And that running when it comes as when we compare that mathematical expression, and there are many some characteristics, that mathematical expression has some characteristics which actually differentiate it from the other matter, the ordinary matter, the running matter. You can see it is it appears in a little bit italicized fashion, not completely italicized, but it is not upright. It is some slanting. It appears in a slanting position, in a slanting style, and also the letters are also used. The letters or variables used in that expression can also show some difference from the other type of ordinary letter. And of course, some mathematical operations or symbols will also be there as a part of that mathematical expression, and that helps us to identify this kind of this kind of mathematical expression from the remaining part. So of course, you can see here after this where, the word where, you can see a, b and c, and these three letters are also appears in a different form. So there can also be these letters can also be treated as mathematical expressions. Now coming to the command part that actually generates this output, you can see, and this is the here it is given that source code part is given, the equation representing a straight line in the Cartesian plane is of the form, you can when we reach this point, when we come to this point, you can see that a single dollar is used. After that, that single dollar, after putting that single dollar, ax is type written, it is typed, ax is typed, ax and plus by plus c, as usual, it is typed, and then equal to 0. After that, that part is, that separate part is then closed by using a dollar symbol. So a single dollar symbol and is used to open that expression, that part, that mathematical expression part, and it is then closed using a single dollar, another single dollar. After that, that comma is written, and then where is typed. After that you can see a is also enclosed in a single dollar, b then comma, b is enclosed in single dollar, comma, c is enclosed in single dollar. And thus we have in this expression 4 mathematical environments. So in this in this whole sentence, in this big sentence, you have four mathematical expressions. One mathematical expression is little big, a little bigger than the other three. So this is one of the ways of generating mathematical expressions, but little complicated ways are there for generating this kind of expressions, this kind of mathematical expressions. There are two more ways. You can use the, instead of a single dollar symbol, you can use backslash parenthesis, left parenthesis. A backslash and left parenthesis can be used to open the mathematical environment, and so it can be closed by using backslash and right parenthesis. So backslash and left parenthesis, backslash and right parenthesis can open and close a mathematical environment, ordinary mathematical environment. In a similar fashion, you can use slash begin math command, slash begin math command, and slash end math command. If you use slash begin math command, it must end with it must be closed with the slash end math command. So that way also, that's a third way of generating this. But when you compare all the three, you can see that using single dollar is the best way, because there you can complete the procedure by using $2 symbols. It's very easy, and also it contains very less number of symbols, or the usage of symbols. That way, that makes it much more easy. So I would like to advise you to use single dollar to open an ordinary mathematical environment, and you can use another single dollar to close that mathematical environment. Anything you want to add as a mathematical expression can be included in between these two, inside the two dollar symbols. Okay, now to demonstrate this, I am going to copy this the content. That is this is the content. This is the content of the source code, and the source code part can be copied in the CoreCalc program. So okay, here I am going to copy it and run. So, but for getting a separation, I am going to use stars. Star line will be used to get the separation done. I will copy it. I have copied it. And I will take the output. It has not generated yet. You have to try. When that project is left unattended for some time, it then becomes in a sleepy mode. It turns into a sleepy mode. So if you have to resume that the processing or the typing with that environment, then you have to restarted the project. It happens for projects in CoreCalc. That is the problem. We do not get that output very quickly. So it's only a technical problem. Now you can see here the output is generated, and so here it's equal to, but no, equal to is not appearing there. So for that, someone equal to I will give, and then I will take again that output, or retake that output, and that equal to, what happens to that equal to, what has happened to that equal to, x plus by plus c plus equal to, some problem with that output generator. But rest of that things are appearing, rest of the things are okay, but the equation representing, the output is there, but what's the problem with that? that equal to symbol is not appearing, but what is the problem? Is there I have to check whether some package is missing there. Otherwise it is the problem with that system, the entire system. Some problem is there with the system, so it may be due to the missing of some package in the beginning, so that I have to check. But you can see other things, all the remaining things are there in the output, except that equal to, it is not coming. I have tried it again by retyping it, but still it is not coming. Okay, okay, then I will check it and I will correct, and we will correct it then before that, before next attempt. Okay, and thank you.